how to change default search engine on Google Chrome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your default search engine within the Google Chrome browser on a computer, Chromebook, Mac, any device that's in the desktop version of Chrome like this. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So it's really easy to change the default search engine. All we need to do is first open up the Google Chrome browser, then go up to the top right, select the three dots, and in the menu that appears, go down and select Settings. Once the settings open up in the left menu, all you want to do is find Search Engine, select that, and then select Change next to the current default search engine. Now you'll see a list of different search engines here, and all you need to do is select the one that you want to change it to. I recommend DuckDuckGo because it's privacy oriented and the search results are good. So once you select your desired search engine, select Set as Default, and now anytime you search within Google Chrome, it'll use that search engine to make your search. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.